on to more breaking news we're picking up. CBI court will now hear the Jia Khan case. The Sessions Court, which was conducting trial against actor Suraj Pancholi on charges of alleged abetment of suicide, has said that the trial should be transferred to a special CBI court. So big breakthrough coming in as far as this case is concerned, with now the CBI court all set to hear the Jia Khan case, with the Session Courts, which was conducting the trial against one of the actors on charges of alleged abetment of suicide, now coming out and saying that the trial should be transferred to a special CBI court. Alicia is joining us with more details on the story. Alicia, so we're looking at a breakthrough in this trial case. Tell us more of what you've picked up. What were the observations made by the Sessions Court, which is now essentially led to the special CBI court taking up the matter? Yasha, if you can hear me, can you break down the details, please?
So what we've seen is that now there's a big breakthrough which has come in, especially in this case, because this case has been pending for 8 years now. And in that context, we saw that the Sessions Court has now said that the CBI court will hear the matter, because we've seen that it was Suraj Pancholi on whom charges of alleged abetment of suicide were pressed, and as a result of which it's been now 8 years since her mother, Rabia Khan, is now trying to fight the case, and as a result of this, now the special CBI court will be looking into it. As of now, we've seen that there was a trial that was being conducted against Jia Khan's alleged boyfriend, Suraj Pancholi, especially in the abetment of suicide case. And now the investigation would be passed on to the CBI, especially at a time when the investigation is carried out, and there's been already a supplementary charge sheet also which has been filed in this case because there was a demand for this case to be transferred to the CBI and a special judge to be appointed in this case. And now, considering that the case has been going on for quite some time, we see that the development will take place, especially because this trial of the case had earlier begun, and especially in December 2019, this application was made by the CBI before the Sessions Court that they want to conduct the further inquiry and examine certain articles which can be sent for forensic examination. So, especially this product that they wanted to send for examination included a dupatta which was used by Jia Khan for the suicide, and they wanted to send this for forensic examination to Chandigarh. So, we see that this has been...
So, Jia Khan case trial fast-tracked. Yasha, let me quickly bring in Alicia and then I'll come back to you. Alicia is joining us live on this breaking news coming in. Alicia, now we do know that, remember this case first came to light 8 years ago, and in 2019 December, like Yasha was pointing out, the CBI in fact made an application before the Sessions Court that it plans to conduct further probe. Now, after the observations made by the Sessions Court, you have the CBI Special Court that will be finally hearing the case. Alicia.
देखिए बिल्कुल जिया खान सुसाइड केस में जहां पर जिया खान की जो मदर है राबिया खान, उनकी ओर से 8 साल का एक इंतज़ार रहा हो। हालांकि जो ट्रायल है वो मार्च 2019 से शुरू हो चुका था और उसके लिए एक स्पेशल जज को लेकर उस ट्रायल पे केस चल रहे थे। हालांकि इस पर इतना ही नहीं, लेकिन दिसंबर 2019 में खुद CBI की ओर से एक एप्लीकेशन दायर की गई थी सेशंस कोर्ट में, जहाँ इस केस में ऑलरेडी जो जाँच है वो आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं। कई ऐसे लोगों को इस पर जो है और विटनेस बनाने की और साथ ही जो इस पूरे मामले की जांच को आगे बढ़ाना चाह रहे हैं। हालांकि इस पर चार्जशीट जरूर दाखिल हो चुकी है, लेकिन अब एक बड़ा निर्णय कहीं ना कहीं पर सेशंस कोर्ट के जिसमें इस ट्रायल केस चल रहा था, वहीं पर उस कोर्ट की ओर से ये कहना कि इस समय जहां पर सेशंस कोर्ट में स्पेशल CBI कोर्ट ऑलरेडी अपॉइंटेड है और इस जो CBI से रिलेटेड जितनी भी केस है वो स्पेशल CBI कोर्ट की ओर से देखी जाती है। वहीं पर अब आगे की जो सुनवाई होगी या आगे का जो ट्रायल चलेगा वो अब मुंबई के स्पेशल CBI कोर्ट पे चलेगी। ये आज निर्णय लिया गया है। जिस स्पेशल जज को इसके ऊपर इस ट्रायल पर लगातार जो है सुनवाई कर रहे थे और कहीं ना कहीं पर चार्जशीट भी जो है वो खुद उसी ट्रायल कोर्ट पर लगातार दायर किया गया था। लेकिन अब एक बड़ा डिसीजन जहाँ पर खुद मामले की जाँच CBI कर रही है और वहीं पर अब जितनी भी आगे की सुनवाई होगी, और ये सुनवाई जो खुद एक्टर सूरज पंचोली के खिलाफ, जो कि जिनके ऊपर एबेटमेंट ऑफ सुसाइड का चार्जेस लगाए गए थे, खुद सूरज पंचोली जो कि जेल में थे, लेकिन अभी जो है उनको बेल दे दी गई है। लेकिन अब
Alisha, I'll come back to you. We have Jia Khan's mother, Rabia Khan, also joining us on the phone line. Good afternoon to you, ma'am. If you've been closely watching out for the latest inputs coming in this case, now this is certainly a big breakthrough, ma'am. What are you hoping from, what's going on next?
Well, I have to say that I respect the Honorable Court's decision, and I am, in a way, feeling quite positive that CBI has got now most of the evidences. They have got Carmen's report that we submitted. They have got forensic experts' opinions. They have got, now they will be able to get the evidence which Maha Police did not give them for 9 years. So they will be able to collect those evidences like dupatta and phone, BlackBerry phone that Jia and Suraj were using. And they can have it cracked, like they can retrieve the messages and see the GPS and bring the truth out. And I am very thankful to Republic also, who was there to bring out my voice to the public and give me that assistance of bringing the truth out in my case, that what has been happening. I had been fighting for justice for Jia, and I stood by Sushant and Disha Salian, and I want that these innocent souls should get justice and the truth should prevail.
And we've heard you through this journey of yours, ma'am. Are you now hopeful that the trial will finally get expedited, and perhaps you'll also find due closure?
Well, you see, CBI is supposed to be a premiership flagship of India, and now they have all the opportunities to use their expertise to bring the best forensics and the best opinions out. And I am sure, that CBI will be able to do a lot what was not done in these 9 years.
Yes. And you've been putting out the picture, as far as these 9 years go, and 9 years is a long time, ma'am. Where do you think things fell out of place and perhaps action wasn't taken in time, and so much more could have been done that you're hopeful of all of that taking place now and perhaps this whole case being expedited?
Yes. You see, the moment Honorable High Court had given CBI the case, though CBI was quite reluctant because they know that they are in Maharashtra, and we have seen during Sushant's case, how the Maharashtra police behaved, their conduct and incompetency. So CBI did not get evidences from Maharashtra police, and they did not get any cooperation, and they were pressurized, as I had mentioned it earlier also, that CBI did not complete the investigation, although the accused kept on saying that the CBI ने investigation कर ली है, पुलिस ने investigation कर ली है, Rabia court में आती नहीं है. I mean, I have to say that CBI will now get the opportunity to complete their investigation and bring a closure to this case, and they will have a final report, forensic report, which will have the truth after the forensic doctors have seen the evidence, whether these injuries that was caused on Jia was due to this ligature soft muslin dupatta or not. Now the thing is that neither CBI nor police had put in their charge sheet any of the pictures. Most of the call logs were not there. Like most eyewitnesses call logs were not there. BlackBerry messages were not retrieved. There was so much evidences that was not brought forward to the court. Now, how can a court give justice when the evidences are not produced? So the justice can only happen when the prosecutor carries the evidences to the court and the court looks to the evidence.
Yes, and Rabia Khan, that's what the Sessions Court judge also said. that he does not have the power to deal with cases filed by the CBI, and hence, in his view, it's necessary to transfer the present case to the CBI court. Let's see how this plays out, ma'am. But thank you so much for taking out your time and speaking to us here on Republic TV.